since the time we are born. At every step in our life, Mother Nature is always with us. Nature protects. With nature we bloom. Nature cures. So we took a bit of nature and created natural skincare for you.